Howdy, boys and girls, got some squirrels, so close to us. Welcome to the YouTube channel. Welcome back, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hopefully you're having a wonderful week. Are going to be checking out Immortal. He just dropped a shout out on SwissBeatbox. Big shout out to him because he's 14 years old. Like, you got to be kidding me. I always just look back to when I was beatboxing at his age and how bad it was and how much I was embarrassing myself. Kind of afraid to beatbox. So big props to him. Much respect for putting himself out there at such a young age. Share his passion for beatboxing. And he's got a song called Birds Flying High. I wonder if that's the Nina Simone song. Birds flying high. This is how I feel. It might be that one. That'd be cool to see him do a little cover of that. We haven't watched the beatbox Prodigy in a minute, and we haven't heard a cover. Let's check this out. Immortal, Birds Flying High. Drop the L's, hit the bells.
Yo, this is Immortal from India, and this is a big shout out to SwissBeatbox, Beatbox India, Xerxes, Rakavi, and Peponi. Let's go. Some birds flying high.
It is!
You know how I feel. Sun in the sky. You know how I.
You already can do the lip roll. Like that well, he can do the lip roll.
With the groove like.
Double voice. Pretty good flow too.
With the OD like.
Always be surprising me.
You know how I feel.
Oh, it's not over. That was the fake out.
Let's go.
What the hell was that? Did you get a text message? What was that? Am I tripping?
Let's go.
Perfectly timed up.
With the rhythm. Level up like this.
He is crazy, man.
With the wind. Birds flying high.
I can do anything close to that cool when I was 14, man.
Sun in the sky. You know how I. Drop it like a bomb, yeah, drop it like a bomb.
Dude, he's got everything in here. We standing up now.
Ish.
Oh, even threw an S passion there, dude. He's got it all. He's got it all. That's it. I'm convinced. He's the next Neo. He is the chosen one. I remember the first time listening to him and being blown away. And, you know, a little hop, skip, and a jump in a few months. He's really stepping up his game. There's obviously little things he can do that will enhance his beatboxing and make it even better. And that's just kind of by, I think, you know, transitionally or gelling, you know, his melody based on the song, the original song, and then using his kind of style, which is this transitional heavy sounds. I think the one thing Immortal, as time goes on and as he just learns more and more and more, because he's already on this crazy level, but how he integrates the sounds and uses them along the way and gets even more comfortable, and, you know, he matures and his voice changes. You will see that confidence. I kind of see it in a beatboxer, Ale, who's a little bit older than Immortal, I believe, but has that kind of hunger to continually improve, and he does continually improve. And it's really cool to see, because Immortal, being only 14 years old, has all this put together. Like, that's a long shout out. Some beatboxers don't have that long of a shout out, and he had a planned out cover that went through different phases, keeping it interesting to listen to, and you didn't know what was gonna happen next. But he kept blending, you know, the original song that he's covering throughout this in kind of a nice, unique way. But ladies and gentlemen, let me know what you thought about this. Actually, a lot of people were telling me to check out his Wildcard. I didn't know he had and when I went to go check out his Wildcard, I saw that this was just uploaded. But hey, let's check out his Wildcard while we're here.
I can smell the flowers for empty now for hours. Lost my powers. I can smell the flowers and kick off all these talks. Then too many down.
People really be going all out in their GBB Wildcard videos.
Can't do with the truth, so we just change the world around you.
This is gonna get crazy, I feel like.
I can smell the flowers, for empty now for hours. Lost my path. I can smell the flowers and pick off all these stars. I'm too many down.
I don't know this original song, if it is one or not.
Done too many down.
Demon bass right in there. I love all the little sounds, little inspirations.
I can smell the flower.
Jeez, like, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That is his style, man. Blending kind of soft vocals, soft melodies in with this aggressive drops. I really actually like that last drop. I think the only thing Immortal needs to really work on, if I have to critique anything, he's 14 years old, dude. What am I really critiquing? But just if he watches this, Immortal, dude, if you work on your transitions from the melodic parts into the heavy drops that you have, figuring that out is probably way harder than me just saying, oh yeah, figure that out. But if he figures that out and makes it really, really work with his style, he could have a very unique, interesting style that a lot of people will become fans of. But ladies and gentlemen, let me know what you thought about this in the comments down below. Let me know what you thought about his Birds Flying High. I actually think that was a bit of a stronger song compared to his GBB Wildcard, but you know, whatever. He got on freaking Swiss Beatbox. I would just be happy to do that. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Shake 'em and